guys, and welcome to this newest YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my hair in its wash and go form. I've been hearing a lot of questions of how I get my hair to look the way it looks. I'm just going to show you guys how I do that. So yeah, I basically start by using my keratin oil shampoo. This is my personal favorite. You don't specifically need to use this. This is just the one I prefer using. And I just go in and just begin to massage my hair with my scalp massager. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right now. And, you know, I just feel like this makes my hair feel like a tiny bit more clean. And then I go in with my Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner. This conditioner is so good, but I also recommend like using a mask as well, just to make your hair extra soft. And then I go ahead and just like detangle it. This just helps you get the best results for your wash and go. This is what my hair looks like now that I'm out of the shower. So now it's time for the actual gel part. I took like a leave-in conditioner for extra moisturization. So that's it. For extra moisture, I'm gonna use my little spray bottle. I need to make sure it has like really moisturized. This entire hairstyle, it just requires a lot of moisturization. But not too wet, if you get what I mean. The other products will like dry out. That's one thing you need to remember. Like the white will go. Just need to do that step once. To actually keep the curls in place, you're going to want to use your Don't Shrink My Curls gel. Get that and just like run it through your hair. You don't need that much if you've already done all these steps. You don't need that much. It's really like a build up. Don't worry, it's gonna get dried out though. You don't need to put in that much leave-in conditioner though. I just like, I really wanted my hair to be really soft. Just like it when it's soft. So just keep working through it with the flaxseed gel. So yeah, this hairstyle is great as like I like to call it a filler hairstyle. So like in between having like braids and wigs, this is just like a nice alternative to have instead of like a slick back ponytail, because you're just letting your hair roam free. This is what it's going to look like. I'm going to give it a couple minutes to dry and then you'll see what it's going to look like after that. And I'll just have a lot of leave-in conditioner on my face, but don't do what I did just now. Don't add too much. You don't need that much leave-in conditioner. I just need that to make your hair really soft. Right now my hair feels so soft. I'd rather it be like soft and curly than hard and curly. That's just a preference that I like. So yeah, I'm gonna give that some time and then I'll come back when it's ready. Probably like in 15 minutes or something. So yeah. So this is what it looks like once you put it to dry. There's still some excess leave-in conditioner. That's because I added too much. Don't do what I did and do not add an excessive amount. But yeah, just to lock it in, I'm gonna use my mousse. This isn't optional. This is like optional, you don't have to do it, but like it's something I haven't done yet. This is it tames frizzes and it defines curls. I need to go dry my hands. In theory, this should take you like 30 minutes to do all together. For me, it took a bit longer because I added way too much soap to my hair. You don't have to wash your hair every time. Just use the restorative like conditioner once you jump into the shower, and I'm sure you'll be fine. Adding foam to this, not too much. Just keep it very to the minimum. Put some foam on that side. I'm gonna add some more on this side. Also need to play with your hair a little bit to get it to the shape you want it to be. That's to dry. You always use Afro comb to just like shape it, like define it as well. Make it a bit thicker. You might want to take this out with you too, just to like, you know, help with the definition of the afro. But yeah. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.